and sometimes pours for days, and then I wander the streets with no aim. I like the rain swept around me like a protective veil, so the eyes in the corners won't stare. And now I'm caged and my mind keeps wandering back to times when the horizon was newborn and bloody. All I cling on to is the care of that old man, that he bring me some comfort. For a while now I've known my place in a storyline, and the chapters rush by me like ghost trains. I'm expecting their visit just about any day now, and a shadow to fall over my home. My mind keeps wandering back to times when the horizon was newborn and bloody. All I cling on to is the care of that old man, that he bring me some comfort. My fear and my love has grown for the man I once called my friend. I write when I'm able, but he hasn't answered me yet. But I'm confident he'll bring me home. Nikolai Bukharin, he was in jail, and he would write letters to Stalin saying how sorry he was that he betrayed the revolution. And apparently Stalin read all the letters, but he never answered. So Bukharin was in jail, and he was getting very isolated and very depressed, and he sent love letters, basically. So it's a pretty sad story.